Hello, this is Dr. James Doundoulakis, General Chairman of the Greater New York Dental Meeting, the largest dental meeting in the United States. We are happy to be here at the AEEDC meeting in Dubai this year, June 2021. Our booth is here in the exhibit hall, number 605. Our hosts have been very gracious, and our dental meeting looks forward to meeting each and every one of you coming from the Middle East, Africa, and Asia to join us this fall, November 2021, in New York City at the Javits Center in Manhattan, where we will meet again for the largest dental meeting in the United States. Look forward to seeing you all. We have a specialty meeting, multiple hands-on experiences, and the largest exhibit floor in New York State. Again, we hope to see you this year, November 2021, at the Greater New York Dental Meeting. Welcome then.